If your touchpad scrolling is not functioning correctly in Windows 11, there is a straightforward solution to resolve this. Begin by opening the Windows search bar. In the search bar, type Touchpad, and then select the Touchpad Settings option that appears. Within the Touchpad Settings, locate and expand the Scroll and Zoom section. You will find an option labeled Drag 2 fingers to scroll. If this particular option is unchecked, your touchpad scrolling will not work. To enable touchpad scrolling, ensure that this Drag 2 fingers to scroll option is checked. Once this setting is enabled, your touchpad scrolling should function as expected. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.